Once upon a time in a colorful village, there lived a group of playful kids who loved helping others. One day, they found a lost puppy in the forest. With kindness, they took care of it and found its family. The kids realized that helping others made them happy, so they decided to spread kindness everywhere. They helped elders with groceries, fed the birds in the park, and planted flowers to make their village beautiful. Their acts of kindness spread joy, and soon, the whole village joined in, creating a chain of love and care. Every smile they brought echoed in the hearts of everyone, making their village a magical place filled with kindness. The kids learned that even small acts of kindness can create big miracles, changing lives and hearts. As they grew older, they continued to spread kindness, inspiring the world with their simple yet powerful deeds. And so, the village that once thrived on kindness became a beacon of hope for all who visited or heard its tales. Remember, dear children, kindness is a gift that grows when shared. Let your light shine bright with every act of love.